What if I told you that the material you're using for your next project could be stronger and more durable than what you're currently using? Introducing the Niobium Round Bar, a material that's been revolutionizing the world of manufacturing. Niobium is a rare metal that has unique properties, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. When added to 347 stainless steel, it creates an alloy that's incredibly resistant to corrosion, heat, and wear. This makes it a popular choice for use in chemical processing equipment, as well as in the aerospace, automotive, and medical industries. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in precision grinding of 347 stainless steel round bars, including niobium round bars. Our state-of-the-art machines allow us to grind your materials to your exact specifications, ensuring that your project is completed with the utmost precision and accuracy. With our commitment to quality and exceptional customer service, you can trust Advanced Grinding to provide you with the highest quality 347 round bars and niobium round bars for all of your manufacturing needs. Choose Advanced Grinding for your next project and experience the difference that our niobium round bars and centerless grinding services can make.